Ego electric lawnmower, 56 volt at Home Depot. Here's the information.
Which lawnmower did you want?
Oh, that one right up there. I came in yesterday. They were supposed to bring down a new one from the top. Yeah, that's right.
Ego that's sitting right here on the floor?
Yeah, the two open boxes. So I spoke. So this is the battery charging. It comes at 25% filled. This is for size comparison. It's a pretty large battery. That's how big it is. It's as big as wide as a bottle of 409. About as tall too. Okay, this is amazing. Fully charged in 25 minutes. That's a 4 amp battery. Amazing. Okay, so this is the whole setup here. It's like a little car. It's pretty amazing. Alright, it's fresh out of the box. Never used before, brand new. Just open this thing up. It's April 2015. Let's see, it says full extend rails. Press in to unlock. Okay. Oh wow, this is amazing. Nice. Nice, very nice mechanics here. Engineering. Amazing. Let's see, so then you fully extend the side rails and lock clamps. Okay, so I assume these are locked already. Let's open them up. Whoa, very easy to open. They got little plastic knobs here. I don't know how strong that is actually. Push too hard, you might be able to snap those off. Imagine that has happened before. But it is easy, nice and tight. Okay, that's how that works. It's very good quality. Little plastic knobs. You must have figured that these are strong enough. Here, goes right in the hole. Holds them in place. It's ready to go. Yep, that will be it. Wow, the most powerful lithium-ion battery in the industry. It's like a little go-kart. This is cool. All right, we're gonna get this thing ready to go. Figure out how to do this thing. Let's see. Work lights. All right, well, let's get this together. I guess you probably open that thing up and put the battery in there. Yeah, looks like that. Let's try it. It's like a little car. Alright. Let's get that battery. That's it. Nice. It's like a car. Amazing. That's it. Huh. Another reviewer was right that it does look like grass or dirt could get in here. Nice if there was a little gasket sealing this thing. But anyway, we'll run it and see how it is. Alright, I'll get the bag set up. Okay, this is what we're going to cut down here. It's really terrible. Oh, how bad this is. This field, like lower lot of our house here. It's a disaster. Let's walk around a little bit first and see how it is. So you see the before and after. This grass is like, and weeds, it's over 12 inches tall. Some of these are like 18 inches. What the hell? Going on the guava is kind of scary, you know. How big this field of weeds is here. I mean, don't want to step out there and get bitten by snakes. I'm okay to run over them with a lawnmower though. Those weeds there are about 3 feet. Maybe, yeah, it's about 30 inches right there, at least. Could be 30 inches. I'm gonna do all these cut down here. Let's see how it is. It's doing pretty good. Surprising. Got some rocks. That's why I'm up in the air here. Great job so far. This thing's powerful. It's like a gas mower. Much quieter though. It's like 1/4 the noise, I think. Let's get this area here cleaned out. Got a lot of rocks out of the way. Ready to go here. Here's how the propeller looks and works. Rocks out of the way. Ready to go. Let's do this thing. Button, pull back on the handle. These are actually steps over here. They're so covered with weeds, can't even see the steps. Let's get those weeds out of there too. There's no big rocks sticking out. You can go right over it. I put up in the air because we do have big, huge rocks stuck in the ground here. So I get the front up in the air like a weed whacker. Just mulch that stuff. Knock it down. success, guys. Get these big rocks out of the way. In case you're wondering, I'm cutting on the highest level here, off the ground. This is setting number 5. Highest level. I think it's a 5. I guess it's 5 inches or more off the ground. Really easy to adjust with one lever. Here we go. This thing's a champion. Definitely recommend it. Don't need a landscaper actually. A landscaper could run on a yearly basis over $1,000. This machine here is a champ. At $4.99 Home Depot. I think they take it back pretty much whenever if you have a problem and you approach them the right way about it at the store. It's a proprietary brand of Home Depot. They own this only exclusively at Home Depot. That's my understanding. I checked everywhere, I couldn't find it. But I did get 10% off. That's what I was seeking. 10% off if you open up a Home Depot card when you buy this thing. If you already have a Home Depot card, show it to them and say you got a Lowe's card and you want the 5% discount at Home Depot. They'll give it to you. They're supposed to. Anyway, 56 volt. My understanding on the quick read of the manual is 4 amp battery. That's a lot of power. I've been mowing for, I don't know how long this video's been running, but let's take a look at what happened actually. Let's look at the results. So here's the mower and look at what we did here. We cut this stuff down. That's how high it was. I couldn't get up that hill. That's a pretty steep hill actually. It's about a 45 degree and there's rocks, so I'll just get my weed whacker out and cut those down. But look at the rest of this stuff. This mower's a champ. I mean, that's heavy brush. If I tried to weed whack this, I would be in pain and tired. But today, I guess I'm invigorated by the power and the 20-inch cut that I'm getting out of this thing. You see I got a lot of rocks around here. I just put it up on its wheels, on the back wheels. And I just cut this stuff down. Any snakes jump out, they're going to be in the leaf catcher in pieces. We do have snakes around here, so it's one of the other reasons why I don't get my weed whacker out and venture into this jungle. Yeah, gotta clear out this lower lot. I'm gonna put a golf course in down here. Seriously. But the first step is get rid of some of these weeds and just cut them. Keep cutting them. Keep it clean. It's really overgrown. This is a trail here. Notice we uncovered the trail. Couldn't see it before. You're supposed to step through, walk straight up. This was 3 feet of weeds. Took it all the way up to here. I mean, now it's going uphill. It's a 30-degree incline. Gotta knock all that stuff down too. So I'm gonna do it with the Ego mower till I can see the house. Somewhere it's supposed to tell you to charge if you push a button. Maybe it's on the front. But anyway, it's a great machine. I'll figure that out. 2 thumbs up. It's the best piece of the machinery I've gotten so far, and I got a lot of machinery. Actually, used to run a lawn cutting business when I was much younger. Always used gas, of course. It's my high school years, and back then I bought a gas mower before and actually never used it. I ended up hiring a landscaper to just cut my grass, and my lawnmower sat in the backyard rusting. Ended up giving it to the landscaper for $150. That's about what it cost me. But still, this one, $4.99. A good mower now is going to run you between $200 and $500 or more. And this is the best thing. It's quiet. It's a Sunday here, believe it or not. It's a Sunday here, and we're cutting the grass, not bothering anybody as far as I can tell. All right, y'all. So, highly recommended. 2 thumbs up. Ego. It's like a little electric car. And I really endorse this thing based on day 1 of ownership. Okay, we're cutting uphill now, guys. See uphill cut. Down here to take a look at this. Some amazing work. Check it out. Here's what we just cleared right here. Couldn't even walk up here before. Now we cleared out a walking path. This machine's got plenty of juice. There's no let up at all. Got some rocks here. We're gonna remove some of these rocks by hand so we don't hack up the blade. But yeah, we're gonna make it right up there. That's the path we're trying to clear. But yeah, we did so good here. Let's check it out from a low angle. Let's see, we're on the highest setting. This is how high it is. I think that's about 3.5 inches. That's what I would say. But that's to the cover, but the blade's higher, so it's probably 4, 5. All right, everybody. To my great surprise, it looks like it caught all those weeds that I was cutting down and compacted them right into this bag here. It's so much easier than trying to hack them down with a weed whacker and either just leave them there to rot or and turn brown, or get down and rake them up and stick them in a bag. But this is like fantastic here. Wow, there's actually a lot of room in here. As much as I cut, this thing is only half full. Let me give you a view of this thing. It's pretty amazing. See, it's heavy, bulging out, but still got room for stuff. But we're gonna empty it out anyway. See, that's the chute where it comes out of that hole there into the bag. This thing is really efficient. It's got a nice handle, metal handle. Oh, it's so easy. Just pull it out. I guess you just can grab extra. Yeah, it's pretty full actually. I can feel it's actually maxed out here. Fill the capacity. There was weeds like stuffed in there. It's got a safety key on it. It doesn't go on, they say, unless you push the button first and then pull the bar. I'm neither pushing the button nor pulling the bar. And there aren't any little ones around here, so I think it's safe. Otherwise I'd pull the battery just to be super cautious. Here we go, see how much we got? It's a lot of weed, all mulched up, pulverized. Good stuff. Looks like an 8-gallon or something. You can fit 8 gallons of milk in this thing. Alright, now we're going to do this downhill portion. Looks kind of tough, and it actually is, but it's downhill. Let's get them on. Go. Get into position. Put some rocks here. move some of these things. Get them out of here. Oh, bust our new mower here. Ah! That's the way to do it. Check for rocks. We got rocks. Ah! All right, ready to go. Got a wood stake here trying to go around. Holding up these horizontal pieces of wood. Ready? Button down, start it up. Ah! Ah! Let's just clean this up a little bit. So in case you're wondering, I actually lowered it down to setting 3 in between camera breaks. That might be why I hit that rock right there. Probably should do it at 5 if you got an area that you're clearing for the first time. This is the first time I've cleared this area here. I hit a rock. See it. But this thing is pretty tough. Let's clear this stuff out here too. Cleared this thing out. I'm amazed. I actually didn't think I was going to do all this. Let's take it straight down the steps and see how it is. We never could walk on this thing. Not in the last year or so. Whoa! Uh-oh. 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 We hit something. What do we hit? Ah, hit this gigantic rock right here. I'm going to put this up to number 5. You know, mess up this beautiful machine. Let's get her up. Ugh. Number 5. Again. Still works. Success, guys. I actually would not do this with a gas mower. It's just feels too dangerous. I'm okay to do it with this one because it's lightweight. I can stop the blade anytime I want. That's actually a huge plus. Stop the blade. No noise like the gas mowers. I cleared the path here. Haven't been able to walk this in a long time. Check it out. Let's walk straight down the path. Look at that. We cleared out this field here. And we still got battery to go. I haven't charged this thing up yet. We've been cutting probably, I don't know, 35, 45 minutes already? We got enough done. I'm ready for a beer. I don't know why anyone wants battery more than an hour. This is an hour battery here. You gotta have beer, take a break. And this amazing technology for this particular battery only is that it fast charges in 30 minutes. All other batteries out there, the 40 volt versions from what do they call, green something machines, and Cobalt at Lowe's, that's their store brand, I think, and the other one that Home Depot used to carry, which is 40 volt. The name slips me right now. Actually, it's called the Ryobi, R-Y-O-B-I, 40 volt dual battery. Each of those batteries take 90 minutes to charge. This particular battery is huge. It's a 2 amp battery. And if we open it up, I can go and charge this thing. You charge it anytime you want. It's lithium ion, they say in the instructions, so you don't have to wait till it fully discharges. Top it off, it stays charged for a month. Perfect. 30 minutes, I can have a nice beer and relax, rest up, and start again with a fully charged battery. Finish off this whole place. We're gonna clear out this lower lot eventually. I'm not gonna do it today. I'm kind of tired. I'm tired. I'm tired before the battery is tired. I'm gonna clear this thing out. And then clear out upstairs there. Actually, I might do the upstairs now. Alright, we're gonna cut this front. I had a bunch of weeds. I sprayed them with weed killer. Haven't charged the battery yet. It's the same one. I only charged it one time when I opened the box. Alright, so we're going to take a look and see what kind of damage we got here. In my first cutting of this thing, got the key out so it's safe and there's no kids around. Turn on the side. Oh, I really should pull the battery. I hate touching things like this. Anyway, I'll just zoom in and bring it up close. You can see we got some dents on the blade. I would expect that. I mean, if I took a thin piece of metal like a sword and hit it against the rock, that's what I would expect to see. And that's what we got, which is okay. Just sharpen this thing up. Occasionally get a file at Home Depot, sharpen it up. I think he uses it a really long time. It's just a huge giant piece of metal. That's it. Probably doesn't have to change anything. It's a 20-inch blade. It's big. This thing's powerful. Whew. Alright, let's see if it still works. I don't know. So we gotta get the key. Whatever I did with the key. There it is. That's where I was cutting, by the way, down there. Let's see if it still works. If it don't work, we got to bring it back to Home Depot and say something is wrong with it, but we don't know what that is. All right. Push down and handle back at the same time. And the green light still works. Amazing. Amazing. Alright, let's look at the cut. Did a pretty good job. Notice all the weeds are dead. Actually long grass and stuff. I don't know what this is. I just sprayed it. I'm trying to change this out to a putting green. You see here? This field down. It's like a field. It's like hay. If I had some horses or cows, they'd be eating this stuff up. Golf course. Little golfing grain here. But I'll be hitting those weeds down there until we turn that into golf. Alright. Anyway, here it is. It's Ego. E-Go. E's for electric and go. And it's 2 thumbs up, $4.99 at Home Depot. I fully endorse this. It's the best outdoor power equipment I've gotten, and the engineering is superb. It's an amazing design. Actually, it said that this thing folds up. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if that's true. We gotta empty out that basket first, and then fold it. So let's just do it while you're watching here. All right, let's set this down. And here we go. We're gonna fold this thing up. Take out the grass catcher first. This thing is totally full, actually. Got all that dry grass. That stuff is just so fluffy like hay. It's totally like hay. This thing's full. Wow. It's really completely jammed with dry grass. Yeah, it fit really well. This thing bagged it really nice. Amazing. Great handle, easy to carry. This is actually way easier than my gas bag. Remember that old gas bag we used to have? I think I had a Toro gas. I like this so much better. Let's see how this thing folds up. Sideways so you can see. Then you just simply open the latches. It slides in like a luggage handle. Lock in place. This green bar here, press it in. Press it in fully and it folds over. Oh, yeah, I said it locked and it does lock. So I'm guessing that This thing you stand on its back. Correct. Look at that. It's amazing. Amazing piece of engineering. I'll give you the 360. It's going to look nice in the garage, right up against the wall. Takes up very little space. There's the profile. Really nice. It's like a car, a little car. One more time, I'll give you a 360. I'll walk it around. It's the bottom. It's the side. Here's the top. Side profile. Nice. Probably gonna want to clean this up. Get a nice wet rag. Wipe it down. Maybe use my electric blower. Blow it out. It's pretty nice. Did really well. Alright, y'all. Ego lawnmower, 20-inch, 56 volt. Available at Home Depot, $4.99. Amazing buy. 10% discount if you apply for a Home Depot card. Fully endorsed.